Hello dear students, today we'll be learning new poem in English, that is Magic Seed. So students, first of all I'll be reading a poem. Magic Seed. I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Almost at once it started to grow up tall and wide. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. I'm not sure what it is, apples, peas, or figs. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. Now, students, I'll be explaining you all this poem according to each stanza. So, I found a tiny little seed and planted it outside. Almost at once, it started to grow up tall and wide. Now, there was a poet who found a little seed. Maybe the seed was of fruit or flower or vegetable, whatever it is. But a poet found a tiny seed and he thought, why not? What if I plant this seed outside near my house? Will it the seed grow up? Will it be turning into tree? So poet tried to plant it outside, and as he planted it outside, within 2 to 3 days the seed started to grow up. As you all can see over here, it started growing up tall and wide. It sprouted leaves from everywhere and soon became quite big. I am not sure what it is, apple, peas, or figs. Now, as poet planted the seed at once started growing up. It started sprouting leaves. Sprouted means to pop out, to grow up. So, the seed started growing up and leaves started to sprout. The poet was not sure whether it is apple tree or peas tree or fig tree. No matter how it turns out, I know that it will be my own completely special something or other tree. The poet is trying to tell us that no matter whatever the tree it is or however it grows up, no matter whatever happens, but whatever the tree will be growing up, it will be my own special tree. The poet is trying to tell us that the a tree will be my own special. I'll be telling others that yes, I have planted this seed and this seed has turned so much big that it has turned into a big tree. So poet is telling us that it is the tree will be my completely own and it will be very special to me, as you all can see in this picture over here. Now students, in the same way like poet, even you all should plant more and more tree so that even you all can tell others that yes, this tree I have planted, it is my own tree. So students, now repeat after me. Magic, M-A-G-I-C, magic. Seed, S-E-E-D, seed. Found, F-O-U-N-D, found. Sprouted, S-P-R-O-U-T-E-D, sprouted. Planted, P-L-A-N-T-E-D, planted. Grow, G-R-O-W, grow. Leaves, L-E-A-V-E-S, leaves. Outside, O-U-T-S-I-D-E, outside. Peas, P-E-A-S, peas. Figs, F-I-G-S, figs. Special, S-P-E-C-I-A-L, special. Everywhere, EVERYWHERE, everywhere. So students, I hope so you all understood the poem. Thank you.